Hi people, today I'm going to be talking about the word should, all right? So, what is a should? A should is a word thinking what we ought to do, what we have to do, but if you think about it, we don't really want to do it because it's a should, right? The word should actually kills us, and I'll tell you why. Because it weighs us down, right? And it doesn't allow us to get on doing the stuff that we really want to be doing because we're too focused on the should. So it's like a kind of we procrastinate it at a later date. Should. It's not living in the present moment right now. How can you tell whether something is a goal or whether it's a should goal? It's good to identify that. And this is where you need to be asking yourself, for example, how old was the should that you've been saying, right? Because if you had the should for over a year, for example, I should lose weight, that should goal is kind of like empty. Right? So it's completely lifeless for you. It's not going to achieve a movement for that. You don't want to hold on to things that bring you like a dead weight onto you. And rather, you should find ways to actually get rid of the shoulds in your life because they're not very, very effective for you. What is much more better is if you come up with new goals, right now for the present moment. So say, for example, you're trying to lose weight and you're saying, I should lose, 5 kilos within the next whatever months. Don't focus on that. What can you do right now to shift from that state of should is just try to take mini steps on what you can achieve now. So for example, trying to, in the present moment, when you go to eat, be more alert in maybe perhaps not eating as much as you're eating before. So that's the way that you can transform the should of the future to the what you can do now in the present moment. So yeah, learn to like throw away the shoulds because it's not very productive. We struggle with the shoulds a lot, but if you think about it, they're not really making a difference. Saying the should is not making a difference in your life. And find new goals that you can replace them with stuff that you currently can put them into action right now at the present moment. That's my 2 tips for shoulds.